How to promote CPA offers on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your CPA offers on Twitter. So let's get started. First, what is CPA affiliate marketing? CPA stands for cost per action affiliate marketing, and it's the kind of affiliate marketing in which we make money whenever there is an action taken on our link and the offer that we have. When it comes to affiliate marketing, we know that an important factor is promoting our offers, promoting our links if we are working as an affiliate. I personally work as an affiliate and I do a CPA affiliate marketing to earn my commission. And let's get started with the process. The first thing that you will need to do is, of course, you will require a CPA platform, a CPA affiliate marketing platform where you will be getting your products and your offers. So I suggest you can simply go to cpaequip.com. I personally use CPA Equip. It's one of the leading platform out there, and it has all the right features and tools for us to help us do affiliate marketing easily. Now, I have created this account for you guys so that I can show you what a brand new account looks like. And you can also create an account very easily on CPA Equip with just your email address, and you have to just set up your password, and that's it. You will get your own account. You have to enter some information such as your phone number, your address, and others. So once you have added all the information and created an account on CPA Grip, then what you need to do is you will find different offers right here. You can see this is CPA Grip. This is the main dashboard. This is our total revenue. We have stats and charts, monetization tools, offer tools, and then we have referral programs, payment center, and account settings as well. You will be able to check your affiliate number right here. And then we can also use CPA Grip because it has very easy payment methods for us, and we can just go ahead and get a withdrawal really easily. So once you have your CPA Grip offer, you can see these are the different recently added offers, and these are the top performing ones. Let's go with this one. The payout is $10. You just open it up and then you will get the link right here. Click on copy link, and now you have a link to promote. Simple. I got a link. And with this link, what I will be doing is I will be asking them to complete a survey. Now, what I need to do is I need to promote the link from where I'm going to get this audience that will actually click on my link and they will check it out. So I will go to Twitter, twitter.com. If you have not signed up for Twitter, what you can do is you can just go ahead and sign up right now. Or if you already have Twitter, you use Twitter, you might know that Twitter is a social media. Very all of the trending things are found on Twitter. We can tweet about almost anything. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, many people don't know this, but Twitter is actually one of the very active platforms when it comes to affiliate marketing. We know that Twitter is kind of like different from Facebook and Instagram when it comes to these kind of stuff, affiliate marketing, finance, technology, and crypto. So everything is kind of like very available right here on Twitter, and the audience is really active and looking for this kind of stuff. Twitter also has millions of users. That is why it's going to be a really good platform for us to do affiliate marketing on. Now, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to do some research how people are doing affiliate marketing on Twitter. So we can just go for search Twitter right here. So I have searched for CPA affiliate marketing on Twitter. We're gonna just search and I will show you how people do it on Twitter. So you can see right here that if we scroll down, there are a lot of people that have added their link. You can see right here, this is kind of like a product, a link that they have. And you can see they have added the link here. Then we have this right here. This is also an affiliate link that somebody has added. And what we do here is we create a landing page first. You can go ahead and create a landing page. That will be better. And then what you can do is you can tweet about your product. And if you already haven't have followers on Twitter, that will be actually better for you, and you will be able to get more reactions and retweet and likes than other people that do not have that many followers. But we can always use the hashtag. So you tweet about your product, and that's it. You can also go ahead and create a post using Canva and other editing tools to kind of like create something like this. You can add your, a title right here. You can add about the product. And we don't say, here are a few tricks that I would like to share. Now, when it comes to CPA affiliate marketing, we don't say that this is my CPA affiliate link. No. We just tweet about that product. We will review a product, or we just create something, a post, a tweet related to that niche, right? And after that, we can just say that you can watch this video or you can check out this application. For example, if I get an app from here that I want people to review on and it's related to fitness, what I can do is I can go to Twitter and I can search for fitness, and I can retweet and tweet about fitness, and I will just add that, okay, so this is my experience with fitness. I've been looking for an application for a long time, and this app really helped me, so go ahead and check it out. So people will click on it, they will check it out, and you will be making money with CPA. So that's like one of the tricks that we use. Similarly, you can add descriptions, you can add your tweets. So how to tweet on Twitter? Like, you simply click on this tweet option, and now what you can do is you can click select from here. Now you will select everyone, because we're doing affiliate marketing and we just don't want our followers. We want everyone around the world to know about our product. So what we can do is we can just add what's happening. So we can like type anything here. We know that how you simply tweet. So you will just add about your product, and then we go to media right here, and you're gonna select the media from your computer right here. So you will just upload the video that or a photo that you created with Canva that has your product image, that has the product information. You will add it right here. You can also add pose if you want to. We have locations, so you just tweet about it. You will create a tweet, and you can just add your link in here as well. You will add the link to your landing page. For example, the link that I copied from here, I can just click right here and click on paste, and it will be added right here. So the link will be added right here. Now I can just go ahead and add an image that I just showed you how we created, and click on tweet. Your tweet will be live, and you will be able to use Twitter as your affiliate marketing platform. We can also go ahead and explore more. We can create lists. We can also create a profile teaching people about CPA affiliate marketing, and that will also help us get more followers. And then we can do our affiliate marketing really easily. That's what we do on YouTube and other platforms as well. And Twitter is also a platform that we should use to do affiliate marketing. It has the audience, it will give you the response that you want, it will help you get the audience that you want. There are billions of users using Twitter every day, and they will respond fast as well. When we post on Twitter, for example, maybe 200 people saw my tweet. If not, I'm not that famous. If you're like a little famous, 2,000 people will see your tweet, and then they will like it. Maybe out of them, 50 will retweet about it, and then maybe 100 will actually check out the product that you have. And those 100 people will help me earn $10 each time, and then I can actually make hundreds to thousands of dollars with CPA affiliate marketing. CPA group is really easy to use in this way. We can just get the link, and then we can just post it on Twitter, and that's it. After that, my total revenue will be shown here, the money that I will be making. Twitter, now keep in mind, it's not that you have to use Twitter and it's kind of like a part of the process. No, I'm just telling you that we can use Twitter as an affiliate marketing platform to promote our links. Don't think that Twitter will have offers for you. Offers will be on CPA Grip. You will promote your offers on your social media. And then you can just add a simple payment method, get your commission, earn your revenue, get your payment out, withdraw your money, and make money, make thousands of dollars doing CPA affiliate marketing. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to promote CPA offers using Twitter. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.